chew it, the fruitier and fruitier it gets. These are the most bestest bears ever. It will
This is an activation of the Amber Alert system. This is the Arkansas Police Department of Public Safety. We have received important information regarding a child abducted from the town of Eureka Springs. The Arkansas Police Department is searching for a child who was abducted from Eureka Springs at 11:25 a.m. and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Eas Mock. She is a 7-year-old black female, 4 foot 5 inches tall, 80 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a black and pink top with dark blue jean shorts, and black Crocs. Authorities believe the child was abducted by her non-custodial mother, Adriana Merchants Johnson, who was recently involved in a double homicide featuring the child's custodial father. She is believed to be driving a black 2020 Toyota Camry bearing Arkansas tag 4PLT88. If you have any information regarding this abduction, please call 911 immediately.